I tested the NQD jet boat for the first time in the river. Even if it's winter, I found a spot with some open water. After 4 minutes I got the grass in here. It's a very big opening, so sand and all things can get in. So I had to do something. Then I took a steel plate like this and I cut it out and bent it and made holes for screws and holes for water to come in, and I shaped it to make it fit a little better. And I took a mesh, thin mesh, you can see here, very thin mesh, and I used silicone based glue around here. I unscrewed these 4 screws and mounted it like this. So now it's silicone based glue around here, and the mesh, you can see the glue is coming out here. So when this is dry, I'm gonna cut off the mesh around here. And I have seen others has a plate coming out also to protect this tip here. So I hope this will work. I hope there is enough holes so enough water can be sucked in. I'm gonna test that later. So that's what I done. Now it looks like this. Okay, I just want to show you guys my way to prevent grass and sand and small rocks to get in here. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.